Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, from the RITES, right? RITES. Okay, when you will go to the official website rites.com, in the career section, you can see first of all the engagement of apprentices in RITES. Okay, it's already started. Online application form filling already started from the 5th December. Last date will be 25th December. You can see here the detailed advertisement. First of all, I want to tell you here what they are looking and what is this company. Okay, so RITES Limited and Navaratna Schedule A Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Railways. Okay, now they are looking for the apprenticeship. Okay, and in this apprenticeship, online application form already started filling from the 6th December. Last date will be 25th December. Let's check it out. More details here. So first of all, they mention here the vacancy details. First category is graduate apprenticeship. Stipend will be 14,000 rupees. Engineering degree they required B Tech or B Architect, 4 years full time degree. Number of vacancies are 112. If you want to explore yourself while doing the engineering, okay, then surely this is a very good opportunity for you. You will just learn some new skills also while doing this apprenticeship. Second is for the non-engineering graduate. I am looking for the engineering graduate only. If you are having a diploma, then also it is applicable, but I am focusing mainly on the graduate apprenticeship. Okay. So total vacancies are they mentioned here. Okay. Now they mention candidates from all over India are encouraged to apply for the above vacancies since posting location is spread across the country. Okay. And now they mention the next thing. Candidates can apply for only one post, not more than one application should be submitted by any candidate. In case of multiple applications, only the latest valid, okay, or complete application will be considered. They mentioned some category wise division also in the engineering, in the graduate engineering. So civil number of vacancies 46, architecture 2, electrical 22, signal and telecom 6, mechanical 33, chemical or metallurgy 3. So total they are having 112 vacancies. Even category wise division also they mention here. Okay, and okay, now eligibility, let's check it out. So shortlisting of candidates will be done based on the merit list formed on the basis of the percentage of marks obtained in the essential qualification applicable to the respective trade. There will be no written test or interview. Okay, in case of two applications are having the same mark, then the person who is having older age will be eligible here. The minimum qualifying marks shall be 60% in aggregate for the general or EWS and 50% in for the SC/ST or OBC category students. Okay. Now, other than this, okay. Now, who are not eligible, following candidates shall not be eligible for applying this apprenticeship. Candidate awaiting result for the essential qualification on the cutoff. Okay. Candidate not completed 18 years, who have undergone apprenticeship training already you are doing somewhere else. Okay. Who have undergone training or has a job experience for a period of 1 year or more, then also you are not eligible here. Okay. So how to apply, they mention here the details. You need to go to this official website and you can apply, dear students. If you think you want to explore yourself, you want to learn more things here, and while learning you can have some stipend also, so this will be a good work experience. Okay, so you can apply here. The last date will be 25th December. More details they mention here, please check it out, these details, and then you can apply here. Okay, they mention the selection process also, which is a simple. Some general instructions also mentioned. So before 25th December you can apply, dear students. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates.